What's going on? Hope it's not too windy and you can hear me, but welcome back to another episode of Ferb's Fishing and Outdoors. Today I'm fishing around Carleton place. It's the closest town to my house, and I thought it'd be fun to show off kind of what fish we have around here and sometimes how hard it can be. We'll see how this video goes. I'm just going to be throwing some spinners and stuff, try to catch some panfish up first, and then I've got some bigger baits to use too. Maybe there's a pike or a bass in there, and I'll keep you posted as stuff happens. Alright, so I got a couple fish. Now they're just warming up, seeing if there's anything in here, so now I'm going to start filming. Of course, now I'm also not going to catch anything, so stay tuned for that. Closer next shot. There we go though. Hey, not so bad. Woo, they're out here. I'm catching them. There we go, one cast after another. Same grub. There you go. Ouch. Stay nice and calm. Right in the lip. Pops right out. Look at that guy. I'm doing good. Well, there's a couple fish. I think I'm gonna try to switch up species a little here. The panfish seem to be biting pretty good on the grub. Been using these guys, mummified wax worms, and the panfish are eating it up. They love it. So let's see if there's any bass or pike or anything in here. Why not, eh? All right, time to bring out the big guns. Let's see. A little too shallow for that stuff. Alright, well that didn't work. Lost one of my favorite lures, but I can always buy another one. I guess I'm just going to go back to pan fishing for a bit. It is pretty shallow here. I don't know if I really got that on camera yet, but that's about how deep it is all the way out to the end of the dock. It's really not that deep. I think it gets a little deeper out there, but I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm gonna stick shallow, stick with panfish, and maybe even some top water or something. Anything that won't get snagged on the bottom. So yeah, see you soon. Some shade. Record for smallest smallmouth. Smallest little guy. Took the grub too. So I know there's bass in here. I guess they're just not very big. There we go, rock bass. Hell yeah. Show it to the camera. Rock bass. Alright. A little slow, but I finally got another one here. Look at that monster. Look at that guy. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back in the water here. Great fish. Size of my hand. Awesome.
Is that too deep?
You want?
No, I don't think so. Nope, I got one.
There you go.
Hey.
There's Chris's fish. Chris's first fish of the day, little pumpkin seed. Awesome. Just moving down a little bit here to the new spot. But the grubs apparently are stacked up all under here and just past the shallows. So that's what we're going to be after. See if we can get some more. This is pretty cool. Oh yeah, fish on. Look at that. Another rock bass. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That little guy. Oh. That's another big one. Another slab. Oh yeah. Look at this guy. I'm happy with that. All day. Let's get him back out there. It's a little shallow, so I'm throwing him out a little. I don't want him to hit the rocks. Alright, there's another Mondo, 2 in 1 video. This is going pretty good. Got another little guy here. Alright. Just killing it today. Woo! Whew! Alright, we're back. We got some food. Crew is replenishing. And that was a pretty good trip. Can't wait to edit this. I hope you guys really enjoyed. See you next time.